Assalamu alaikum. Hello guys, hope you all are doing good. Welcome back to my channel. I know this is not the right time to step out of our home, but there are few people like healthcare workers and other people who have to step out of their home for their work. So this might be helpful for them. So in this video I am going to let you all know how to wear a mask extender. Mask extender is really helpful guys, especially to get rid of ear pain, because you'll have to wear double mask these days because of pandemic COVID wave 2. So without any further ado, let's quickly get into the video. I recently purchased mask extenders from Shah's Hijab Collections. It's a wholesale and a retail page on Instagram. They deal with various varieties of hijabs. Do check them out guys. I'll mention the link in the description box. These are the two mask extenders which I got from them, and they have various designs and color options. I'll just insert the picture from their Instagram page. So yeah, these are the various color and design options they had. I selected two in each model, and I purchased them for 150 each plus shipping. Guys, these mask extenders are imported ones. I think they are imported from Malaysia. The design is really unique. I don't think you will get this anywhere else in India. Normal simple hijab, normal and simple mask extenders are available in market. You can find them on Amazon, but these are like exclusive design. It's a party wear design which will definitely be a hit when you wear it on party wear hijab. I know this is not the right time, but you can use it for the upcoming days when lockdown eases. So I'll just show you how to wear this mask extender. These days it has become mandatory, or it has become a necessity to wear double mask. So just take a mask, and using the hooks which is attached on the sides of the mask extender, you have to insert the elastic of your mask on both the sides. There are two hooks available in the extender. Both the hooks has to be attached to the mask, simply like this. That's it. It's a one-time work. You can just attach the extender and keep it along with your mask. If you want to replace the mask, then you can remove and replace the extender with any other mask. This is how it will look. You simply have to put over the mask over your head, and you're done. It's really easy to remove and to put on guys. You need not pin it up, or you need not wear it inside your hijab. It is really easy and very simple. Your ears will also not pain because it does not come over your ears, as you can see, and it also looks very stylish, and it looks like a hijab accessory as well. Before moving on guys, quickly subscribe to my channel if you haven't done still, and also there's a bell icon. Click on to that icon to receive notifications whenever I upload any new video on my channel. As you can see, it does not give you any kind of ear pain. It is easy to wear, it is easy to remove. I really love this mask extender. Now I'll quickly show you with another piece which I got. This is kind of broad mask extender, but I really like this because it is kind of classy, and also it's broad. So yeah, that's the reason. And this is how it looks guys. Black is always elegant, isn't it? And it looks like a hair clip or something like that. I really hope that you found this video helpful. If in case you like this video, please click onto the like button and wait for my upcoming videos. See you soon. Until then, Allah Hafiz.